Hello guys, this is your English teacher Shivam Chobe. I hope you guys fine there. So guys, today we will discuss about the last point of our poem and last point of our chapter. That is the my word bank. What is that? My word bank, building the vocabulary. So we have to study about our vocabs. Then here is the written, write words similar in meaning with following words. Here is words are given and we have to write here that words which is related to these all words. Then conceal means hide means you also know. Hover means fly round. Demolish, knock down. Possess, control. Glimpse, flash. Descend, get off. Designate, select. Salvage, help. Sprint, fly. Blissful, delightful. Understand? Learning grammar. Here is written all right poets, and we have in this bracket here is describe about the rhymes. How can we find the rhymes? So let's see the example firstly. Then here is written like that. Here is written A, how can we write this like that? We have to match there star r, both pronunciation is related to one thing. So A, high sky, both pronunciation are approximately same. So B, and after that star r again. So A. So the rhyme scheme is A, like this we have to choose the rhyme. Understand? So here is a question, what is the rhyme scheme of the first stanza of poem Daffodils? Then first stanza, let's see our first stanza in our poem. So in the first stanza here is written, I wandered as a cloud, hills, crowd. Cloud and crowd, same pronunciation approximately. So we have to write here A. Hills is not related to this, so we have to write this B. Cloud, crowd, approximately same, we have to write here A. Hills, daffodils, same, we write here B. After that trees, breeze, this is other than, this is nothing match with this is other things, so we have to write here C. Understand? So A B C, this is the rhyme stanza. So we have to write here the rhyme scheme of first stanza is A B C. Understand guys? After that the next question is this, underline the abstract noun in the following sentences. We have to underline the abstract noun. Nahid's, you also know that abstract nouns are tell us about the feelings. What about the feelings? So Nahid's act of bravery astonished the onlookers. Bravery is a feeling, so bravery is a what? This is the abstract noun. There is a shortage is a feeling. Then shortage is the abstract noun of water over all the world. We all must work toward unity and peace for the mankind. Then unity and peace is a, peace means quietness, is a feeling, that is the abstract noun. Childhood memories are the best. Memories is feeling, so that is the abstract noun. The words inspiration spoken during the hour of crisis was applauded. Inspiration is the feeling, that is the abstract noun. Tsunami causes the destruction. Destruction is the feeling also, abstract noun. One day the truth will prevail. Truth is a feeling, that is the abstract noun. Curiosity amongst small children can be fatal sometimes, sorry, fatal sometimes. Curiosity is a feeling, that is the what abstract noun. So guys, I hope you all understand clearly about this. So after that, these questions will be completed by you can complete with yourself. And then this is the last class for the first chapter, and we have to learn it carefully and completely study about it. Thank you and take care.